Welcome to Juglans Tree Talk. Juglans is commonly called as walnut. Some other species also called as butternut. The nut has lot of fats. So walnut or butternut or walnut is put under the botanical genus Juglans. And Juglans, this is the type genus after which we have named the family as Juglandaceae or walnut family. Under the genus Juglans, we have more than 15 species distributed globally. We find walnuts in China, in Europe, and even in North America. The species which is mostly cultivated and its fruits used in trade, especially in Europe, China, even America and India, is Persian walnut, which is Juglans regia. This is a hard shelled fruit, nut, basically a nut. It is accessory fruit, and basically the outer fleshy husk is derived from the involucre. So it is a pseudo drupe with a bony endocarp and bivalved kernel. The shape of the kernel looks like brain, two hemispheres. So as per doctrine of signatures, eating walnuts helps the improvement of the brain functioning. Walnut wood is highly prized and used for making furniture, even the ternary articles. So most important timber species is the black walnut, which is Juglans nigra, mostly grown as a timber tree in North America. We in Kashmir have grown this Juglans regia, locally called as Doon in Kashmiri language, Khod in Dogri language, and Achoi in Shina language. Basically in Sanskrit it is called as Akshor, and from Akshor the Shina name Acho is derived. Under the genus Juglans regia, we have the species which have been named after many countries. We have Juglans boliviana, Juglans jamaicensis, Juglans venezuelensis. Japanese walnut is Juglans allianthifolia because its leaves are allianthus-like. We have Juglans cinerea, commonly called as the butternut. Juglans cinerea and Juglans allianthifolia, they hybridize radially. So many hybrids with improved traits have been bred. In Kashmir, the SUQUAST, the Agriculture University, especially the SIT, Central Institute of Temperate Horticulture, has done excellent work on the breeding of walnuts, and new cultivars, stands, innovated with thin shells and more improved mass of the kernel. Juglans, they are deciduous trees, they are tall trees, and leaves are alternate but they are pinnate. So in Juglans regia Persian walnut, our common walnut, we find 7 to 13 oval leaflets. Flowering takes place when day length, photoperiod, reaches 14 hours a day. And leaf fall in Juglans regia starts very early, as soon as photoperiod is reduced to 11 hours. Juglans regia wood is durable. When freshly cut, it may be greenish, but on exposure to air, it turns chocolate brown. If we take the bark of the walnut tree, that is very useful as cosmetic, mostly used by ladies to paint the lips, to color the lips, as toothbrush, that locally called as bidi, that akhrot bidi or datun is already available in the markets. This is very eco-friendly and mostly used by the hill communities where usually we find the walnut trees. Walnut fruits, especially the kernel, is used in bakeries, in cakes, in cuisines, especially in the Iranian cuisines. This is the nut which is widely used. The leading producer the world over about walnuts is China. Then we have the America, Iran, even Turkey, then Central Asia. Juglans nigra is more cultivated for the timber production, whereas Juglans regia is a horticulture crop, and this is mostly used in various bakery sweets. Juglans regia, the flowers are unisexual. Male flowers are born in lateral catkins and they are born on the shoots of previous year, whereas the female flowers are born on current year's shoot growth, and mostly they are opposite to the leaves. As far as the health benefits of using the walnuts are known to have the phytochemical juglone. Basically, juglone was synthesized in the year 1887. This in the natural form exists in the hydroxy form, hydroxojuglone. But when it is exposed to the air, it turns brownish black. So when we remove the husk of the walnuts, our hands are also stained. So that is basically the exposure of the hydroxyjuglone to form the juglone. And this juglone is also used as dye. This is also a allelopathic chemical. In larger concentrations, it damages the nearby plants if they are growing in the vicinity and affects or impacts their production, especially the maize crop or the tomatoes. Forest walnut trees in the forests of Gurez, Kishtwar. Older trees are harvested and its timber is used for bowl making, especially from the bur wood, even for the house furniture and many decorative items, especially in Kashmir. It's a deciduous tree, so its leaf fall commences in November and new shoots are formed in the spring months, somewhere in March. Juglans regia with 15 different species globally. This is the tree which is rich in phenols, and one of the subgroup of the phenols is ellagic tannins, and because of the presence of ellagic tannins, this is very useful for health, especially for the health of the heart. It improves the brain functioning and heart functioning. It is a rich source of protein, vitamin E, vitamin B, minerals, calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, potassium. It is rich in dietary fiber and omega-3 fats. is very useful even for the diabetic patients. Diabetes 2 type of ailment is cured with the help of including the diet of walnuts. They are rich in antioxidants, so it also delays the anti-aging. And this particular walnuts have been used for the improvement of blood circulation. They are useful against prostate cancer, breast cancer. So this is a reputed medicinal tree. This is a timber tree. This is a horticultural fruit tree. And the economy of the farmers, especially in Kashmir Valley and some parts of Bhadrawa, is intimately associated with the growing of the walnut trees. Walnuts are very important even for other moths. Different kinds of moths also, they use the plant as a host plant. For example, the emperor moth, Pavonia pavonia, and even graculas have been seen, the birds feeding on its fruits. Flying squirrels, locally we call in Bhadrava area, Doda area, and many other squirrels, they also eat the walnuts. Juglans regia is one species, but we have dozen of cultivars under cultivation. So the shell of the walnuts is also used in plastic industry. It's also used in paint industry. Even the walnut tile, once it was used even in the automobiles and aeroplane industry before the advancement took place. Walnut shells are also used in trade. The trees are also infested by the epiphytes, especially the Biscum album or Biscum auriculatum, and these are mostly damaging the fruit production. And so it is recommended that the infestation of semi-parasites like Biscum album, Biscum articulatum should also be monitored by the orchard growers. We can also cultivate the walnuts as an intercropping in the intercropping pattern. It has been found that if we plant Oleaster, Elaeagnus umbellata bushes, which are found commonly in our Jammu and Kashmir, along with the walnut trees, it enhances the production of walnuts because it is nitrogen fixing, Elaeagnus umbellata. So we should also plant Elaeagnus umbellata along with the walnut trees for maximizing the production of walnuts in the state. Thank you.